Max, one other thing that you had mentioned earlier was in discussions about just minerals in general and taking multi-minerals and so on, was the fact that many minerals react against each other. So while you think you may be taking all the minerals, just this fact of this reaction